Hi everybody, so today you are going to be writing paragraph number 2 in Utah Compose. Yesterday you wrote the first paragraph, which is your introduction, and today you're going to write the first paragraph of the body of your essay, okay? So this is actually technically paragraph 2, okay? So you're going to go to Utah Compose. If you did not watch how to log in yesterday, you'll need to go back and watch that video. So you're going to log into Utah Compose. And I am going to log into Sydney Snar's account because I'm going to use hers as an example, okay? So once you log in, it's going to take you here. You're going to click on Homeroom 5. You should have completed paragraph number 1 yesterday in Utah Compose. So it's going to show you your drafts down here. You're going to click on the very top one. And then over here, you're going to click on Revise, okay? Over here, you're going to click on Revise. It'll show you your score for paragraph 1. This is your paragraph so far. So we're going to click on Revise. We're going to say, yes, we want to revise our paragraph. And we're going to work on paragraph number 2, okay? So paragraph 2 is going to be about the first reason why that time of year is your favorite, okay? So I'm going to go back to my Foursquare really quick. So in my Foursquare, my first reason why is the weather is cooler. And then I've listed 3 supporting details, 3 more details that help me prove that the weather is cooler and that's why fall is my favorite, okay? So we're going to be using these 3 details: more activities outside, sweaters and hoodies, fall activities like corn mazes fair, the pumpkin patches, and we're going to put that collectively in a paragraph, okay? Now, obviously, we need to write complete sentences and things like that as we go. So, if I was writing paragraph 2, I would hit the space bar, the enter bar, and I would go down to the second paragraph, and I would hit enter one more time. This is where we're going to begin writing our second paragraph. So we need to start our second paragraph off with a good sentence that gets the reader understanding and knowing what they're going to be reading in this particular paragraph. Just this paragraph, okay? So I might start off with reason why fall is my favorite time of year is because the weather is cooler. Based off of that sentence, our readers automatically know, hey, this paragraph is going to talk about her first favorite reason why fall is her favorite, which is the weather's cooler, and she's going to provide details as well in this paragraph, okay? So one reason why fall is my favorite time of year is because the weather is cooler, okay? Since the weather is cooler, comma, there are more activities that you can do outside, okay? Fact. This came right from my Foursquare. More activities outside. Fall activities we're going to list next, okay? So you can do more activities outside. Some of the activities that you can do are going to corn mazes, comma, the fair, comma, and pumpkin patches. And I'm misspelling words on purpose because we're going to go back and see how our score changes, okay? Pumpkin patches. It's also a great time of year, or a great time, sorry, to wear sweaters and hoodies. Okay, that is my paragraph for the second piece, okay? So if I go back to my Foursquare here, I included the weather is cooler, I included more activities outside, I included fall activities, and I included sweaters and hoodies, okay? So I included all of that in my second paragraph. I changed up the order a little bit, which is totally fine. I talked about sweaters and hoodies at the very end. That's totally fine that you do that. Okay? Once you write that second paragraph and it's at least 3 to 5 sentences, you're going to go down to where it says submit. right here, and you're going to click submit. Yes. And it's going to show you a score. So my score so far is 13. But it also shows that I spelled a couple words incorrectly. So if I did, I'm going to go back to revise. Yes, I want to revise it. That just means to change it up. And I'm going to fix those. And we're going to see how much of a difference that's going to make. Okay? Submit. Yes. 13.8. Because of those two misspelled words, it bumped my score up to a 13.8. Okay? So, you'll have 2 paragraphs today. Make sure you always hit submit. Don't revise and then not hit submit, because if you hit save and quit, it doesn't show me that you've actually done the work unless you hit submit. Okay? I'll be checking on your work. If you need your login for Utah Compose, you will need to reach out to me. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.